What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've been spending a lot of time talking about XRP. I've been talking about the SEC. I've been talking about what the crypto market is really doing, right? The bloodbath that we've seen recently. And I wanted to kind of make that more of a video, but I didn't. I wanted to focus on what was happening with the SEC a little bit more. But anyways, for Ripple and XRP, XRP is a great position. I know a lot of people that are like, look, I can't wait for this to really run. I can't wait for this to start the bull market. And I thought, you know what? Let's have that conversation. Let's have that discussion in the comment section on whether XRP will start the bull market, right? Because we have a lot of other things that could really start the bull market. We can look at a utility bull run and what could lead the utility bull run. It could be XRP. It could be Ethereum, it could be Cardano, it could be, Solana, Avalanche, a lot of the positions that really have some sort of I'll put it in quotes, use case to it. And the reason why I put it in quotes is because the SEC thinks, that crypto, I'll leave it to what it is, basically saying that, crypto is a security and, they shouldn't be functioning in the way that they are. But that's for a whole nother discussion. I guess we can talk about that in a live stream. But XRP, I think, could have a massive use case, especially transaction-wise, and understanding how you can use it as a transaction-based currency, the best one that's out there. But there's a lot of other things that go into it as well. And I wanted to talk about whether this would, start really the bull market. Guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the links that are in the description for, Patreon, for my referral links, all of that stuff that's down there. But XRP, if you don't know, I have 1,788 XRP. It's not a lot. There's a lot of people that have a ton more than me. And I don't ever claim to be holding the most, don't ever claim to be a complete whale in a lot of these positions, because I don't want to be. I never want to be. I never want to have that ability to collapse a position or control what a position is going to be able to do for that next day, right? Positions really live and die on their whales a lot. Especially positions in the beginning. I don't think XRP is even close to being in the beginning, but they, positions still live and die from their whales, and I don't want to ever be in that stage, in that, spot to really do that. So I don't invest all of my money into one play. I don't invest a hell of a lot of money into one play unless it's going to give me a standard return with little to no risk. So index funds, mutual funds, things like that. So anyways, XRP and starting the new bull run. Can that actually happen? Well, first, I want to give you an update on where XRP is. So XRP is currently at 48 cents. We did see a little bit of a decrease over the last 24 hours. Volume at about $1 billion in volume, down 36%, and seeing the overall market cap at a $25 billion level. Now, this did collapse, pretty hard after the Hinman documents and all of this other stuff really related to cryptocurrency, and not only just that, not only seeing, Binance and Coinbase and everything that's happening there, but also understanding rate hikes and the inability for people to accept the fact that we probably still need to see rate hikes. So they overreact to it, and we saw things that have dropped from a level of 56 cents all the way down to, I believe, a low level of about 46, 45 cents or so. So that's the reason why we did see that happen. But I did run into this article, right? This article that was titled, Ripple Verdict Could Spark a New Bull Market. So this kind of just brought more to the fire, more fuel to the fire. There are people asking in the comment section or telling me that XRP is going to run things in Patreon, on my comment section of some of my videos, and how strong XRP is actually going to be. So let's get into this a little bit. So SEC versus Ripple is a landmark legal battle that is going to shape how courts treat cryptocurrencies, and a ruling is due soon. The final quarter of 2020 saw a launch of precedent-setting lawsuit by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission against Ripple Labs CEO Bradley Garlinghouse and co-founder Christian Larson. The allegations raising north of $1 billion in 2013 through unregistered sales of purported security, XRP. The implications, Ripple's bold choice to challenge the lawsuit in court. Now, this was definitely something that was big, that wasn't taken lightly, right? You saw, other cryptocurrencies that were kind of attacked. It seems like they want, maybe a settlement from them, or a complete collapse, and say, look, this is not it, and you won't function as is. Right? You saw what happened with Kraken. Right, Kraken's basically has this earn program, and they're like, yep, you know what? I don't even want to fight you. I'm gonna go ahead and just live with what I did and say that it's wrong, and stop the earn program and pay whatever fine I have to pay. Maybe that's what the SEC really wants, right? You're stopping the earn program. You don't have the ability to earn an APY, so you're not challenging the banks, and then you go on and live your day, right? You live your life. Now, Ripple and XRP in the eye of the storm. I'm trying to get an understanding of exactly what came there. So Ripple and the payment company behind XRP introduced a cryptocurrency token in 2013, a facilitated fast, low-cost cross-border transactions. XRP stands as a potential replacement for the existing SWIFT system. All eyes on the Hinman documents. Now, this was something that was very recently, that happened very recently, to talk about the fact that BTC and Ethereum should not be securities, and also XRP should not be securities, should not be a security, and that really is basically saying, like, look, this should be over, right? It's not a security. It shouldn't be a security. We have this information where it came from here, and this could be to where the SEC is fully corrupt, right? Implications of the verdict. This face-off between Ripple and SEC transcends the future of XRP. Its high-stakes drama could very well be a defining moment for cryptocurrency industry. In 2022, the SEC Gensler stated that many cryptocurrencies are securities, signaling the regulators the intent to scrutinize more digital assets. Basically saying the implications, I don't want to keep saying that, implications fall into four main categories: adoption and innovation, legal precedent, market volatility, talent migration. So basically saying that the end is near. The attorney John Deaton, founder of Crypto Law, has been a staunch advocate for Ripple against the SEC. In a June 3rd interview, he predicted a 25% chance the district judge, Torres, ruling in favor of Ripple, and a 50% chance middle ground verdict. But Binance and Coinbase, now with the SEC, the predictions might need to be reconsidered. Garland remained optimistic about the verdict, ultimately betrayed by a regulator who was given the conflicting guidance, a sentiment that has been echoed across the crypto landscape in the United States. So with such high stakes, the investor confidence in the legal clarity for global talent migration for the SEC and Ripple case is a landmark battle that could shape the future of cryptocurrency landscape in the U.S. Now, this is something I totally agree with, and I have talked about previously, is that this Ripple case will create case law. And creating case law creates definitions. When you have a new definition, you have a new umbrella that something can go under, right? So whether it could be labeled as a security, maybe this new definition or new line gets placed under there to where if it's a cryptocurrency, it wouldn't be considered, a security, right? And maybe that could be the case. I don't 100% know, but you could create some case law, whether it goes for it or against it. It can completely change cryptocurrency as a whole. And if it ends up in favor of XRP, it ends up in favor of Ripple, then this is absolutely huge, because then the crypto market would thrive knowing that it doesn't really have too many boundaries. I mean, it probably does have some boundaries, but that it can't cross. But you're going to be good to kind of live as is, especially with all the cryptocurrencies that are out now, and them saying that every cryptocurrency is a security besides Bitcoin is a little ridiculous. So anyways, XRP could absolutely change everything. We could start a bull market with it. Now, will it actually do that? I don't know. I don't know when the decision will actually happen, because we were told that maybe they were close to a decision last month, the month before that, the month before that. But now with Coinbase and Binance, it really doesn't make sense for you to continue with the lawsuit you have with Ripple, but to get an understanding of what you end up coming out with it, right? Not just a verdict, but also case law, information behind it that proves that it is or isn't a security there. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm gonna get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.